Yo, what's up everyone, Project Moto here. It's a bit of a cold winter's morning, not snowing or nothing, but it's not all that. We've got a bike in today that we've been waiting for quite a while. It's a new Multistrada V4, so we're going to unbox it and have a look at the bike, and yeah, let's check it out. So we've got a few of the bikes down here today. We've got 11 bikes turned up, and amongst here, 3 of them are Multistradas. Pump it up.
I'm pumping up the jam.
Pump up the jam. You're always pumping up the jam.
More than you think.
Come on, let's get this baby out. Let's do this on this winter's day.
Let's do it now.
What do you want that bit for?
I don't know.
You just like it? Come in handy, will it?
I don't want to throw that away. I'll make something out of it.
Well done. Recycling. Right, so at the Multistrada you get 4 different ones. This is the full one. Comes with all the radar, the panniers. I don't know where the panniers are though. Where are the panniers?
There are no panniers with this one.
Might as well have a donut while I'm waiting. Too rude not to, really. Nicely donuts.
I don't have time to eat one.
You've been eating all day.
Oh yeah, what I meant was I don't have the appetite because I've been eating all day.
Multistrada V4.
There's the new screen. So,
Right, let's have a look at it. Look at that. Look at the engine there. Ta-da! Yeah, look, it's got the Acrophobic Exhaust on it. Oh yeah, there's the indicators now. The engine looks good in there, doesn't it?
be your go-to bike.
This could be the new go-to bike. Seat, look at that on the seat. There's a radar on the front. I don't know if I like the look of that radar bit. Where's the rear radar? Oh, there.
At the back.
No, the rear radar's at the back. Look at the screen, it's like a TV screen.
Oh, we can watch Bob Ross on it.
Oh yeah. Now this will be good if it etches a little Bob Ross painting when you turn it on, won't it?
That'd be fantastic. Tic Tac's on his one.
Tic Tac. Knick-knack.
Oh, it's knick-knack, isn't it? It's all yours.
That needs off. It's quite a mud guard though. You'd probably want it on if you was a pillion. But yeah, you wouldn't notice, look, it's actually got wings on it.
Right, that's how tiny that is.
Yeah. The Multistrada with wings. But now Multistradas, look at them. They're everywhere. Doing this so long, we're going to have a lovely sunset now.
Yeah. We've seen the whole day.
We've seen the whole day unboxing bikes. Right, so here it is in the showroom finally. Obviously been waiting for this. Been a funny old year. We did have quite a few bikes in today, like 11 bikes. Let's just show you a couple of them that come in because they're new too. You've got the new XDR Black Star with the new wheels, paint job, looks nice. You've got the new Scrambler Night Shift, that's nice. I like the seat on it, the flat bars, nice colour. You also got the blue Desert Sled, new colour scheme, looks nice, really like that blue. But actually moving all these bikes around today and getting them all in here, this Multistrada has got to be the most lightest balanced bike ever. To push it around, it's unbelievable really that the bike is that big. It does look really nice. Obviously the engine is a big change on this, the frame, everything's changed on this, but little bits that I like on it. I like these fins on it. I like the little wing air scoop bits on it. The one finger movement on the screen, that's really good. The mudguard's nice that you get with this one. This is a full one, but the panniers are not here yet. As soon as they're here, we'll do a little video on them. The switch gear, there's obviously quite a lot of controls on this now. You know what else I like? Bit for your phone, where you can charge it up. You've got the little controls here for the rear heated seat. Nice. Alright, while we're here, I'll just show you the dash. Look at that. It's nice. It's big. Look. Right, obviously when we do the full video on this, where let's look at all the different options on it, there's so much stuff on this. Yeah, so I'm really looking forward to riding this bike, but first someone else is going to get a go of it. Really, I'd like to have a go at that. This is the demo bike, so this is what it looks like outside. It does look really nice. Luckily Darren is going to get first to ride it. Right, come on in, let's start it up, see what it's like. It's really nice. Actually, it looks a lot sweet. Have fun then. What's happening down there, bruv?
Down here?
Yeah.
Oh, it's all happening. I'm on my little stall.
Yeah. You're looking a little cold today.
Yeah, because he's buggered off and left the door open. It's like 2 degrees out. Not even that. What's the temperature?
It was 1.5, I think, when I was driving here today.
I can hear the sound of a
bike.
A bike coming through.
And he's back. Well, what do you think?
I want one.
You want one?
Fucking mega.
How good is it?
Fuck me.
Better than the old Multistrada.
Oh, fucking 1,000 times better.
What's the motor like?
Better than a Panigale.
Is it?
Yeah. Won't let you spin it up or fucking throw you off the fucking floor. The only time you can basically fucking ride it like you've stolen it is in sports mode. Then it just fucking wheelies the whole time. First, second, third, fucking nail it in fourth and it just goes.
It's like a car with 2 wheels.
It's like a car with 2 wheels. It's pointless, isn't it?
Oh, is it this button?
Yeah.
Oh, right. I'm glad you know.
Right, so now Matt's having a go. He said he's like an animal. Well, what do you think?
Yeah, he's more than enough. Yeah, it's like an Honda, but fast. That's it. Do you know what you get carried away with? It's grippy, it's really nice. You think, oh, this is lovely. And then I overtook a lorry, and because you get complacent riding all this stuff, you cracked the throttle, and it lit up and went sideways. You think, yeah, it's still 170 horsepower motorbike, it's not.
Sweet. What?
It's a nice bike, smooth. You like it because you're like a Japanese man. No, you're a Japanese man, aren't you? I was trying to play with the heated grips. I didn't know how to change anything.
In the end, your hands were melting onto the grips.
So I'd done that, and I thought,
what about the heated seat?
I don't know. I didn't even know how to work the menu, so I thought, oh, I don't know. You'd like it. The heated grips are well up. Burnt my hands. Serious. Burnt my hands through 2 pairs of gloves.
Really?
Red hot.
They never used to be as hot as any other pairs, so they were useless.
Yeah, they burn. It's better than the Super Duke ones. Right, I was saying to him, so riding a Japanese bike now, it's just smooth and power everywhere.
So you went
up and down the box. Everyone would like it. It's the riding position's nice. Your legs ain't crunched, just right, isn't it? Like you're saying about the wheelie thing. Yeah, it's fucking slippery out there. Come out and it said 9 degrees. I was like, oh, that's not too bad. So I was like coming around. I was
By
like,
the time you're doing that,
too bad.
it's 2 degrees.
And he went ding, ice, 1 degree. And I was like, oh fuck.
Well, so that was the unboxing and quick look at the Multistrada V4. So like I say, that we have got a demo one of these. Obviously Darren and Matt have just had a little go of it, what you just see, and what they thought. So what I'm going to have to do is get geared up and get out on this bike and see what all the fuss is about. I'm going to be riding it back to back with a 1260 to see what feel the differences are, but that will be for the next video. as always guys, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. If this is the kind of thing you're into, all things bikes, then maybe think about hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching. Well, it's been a busy day. You've been working non-stop.
Unusual.
And you've not really eaten much. I've not eaten nothing but them biscuits.
No, my sandwiches.
You've had sandwiches, you've been spoiled. Project Moto Cup.
What?
Available at all good retailers. Oh. Did we sell them batteries yet?
What?
I said, did we sell them batteries yet?
What, the old ones?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, could really do with the money.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
We forgot about the cup. And what about me? How do I live? How do I feed the kids?
I don't know, probably be back to shoplifting again, wouldn't it?
Yeah, probably. Have I left it?
No, no one ever does. I see him.
It's like a habit. It's like people walking. People can't go and be in queues without nicking something.
My dad nicked something the other day.
That's someone you know nicked something.
Yeah, my dad. Every packet you see in B&Q has been broken into, and it screws and things like that.
Yeah, I hate buying stuff out there because I think it's not.
You have to check. You have to open it to check, don't you?
Yeah, but then they think you've opened it to put stuff in it.
Which you do.
Yeah, I open it to check.
And whilst it's open, you think, fuck it, I'll fill it up.
It's best to have little kids with you.
Yeah, it's
Because then you pick that up like that, and then you just pick the kid up.
Yeah.
It's under your hand.
Yeah. Or someone else's kid. Yeah.
It's always awkward going out of a shop with someone else's kid.
Yeah, it's difficult, but you know, it can be done.
It's when you put them down outside and just walk off, and they're crying and stuff.
Well, it's when you don't put them down and drive off. Let's take that for a... Oh, there he is. There he is, the man himself.
Fucking got fed up of waiting for you to fucking doing it.
Well, you could have made your own coffee.
Yeah.
What's tomorrow? Thursday.
You know what it is, because we had an argument this morning about what day
He said
it
it
was.
was Tuesday.
I thought it was
said it was
Tuesday.
Wednesday.
You got all wrapped up this morning for the ride-in. Was it cold riding in?
No, it was alright coming in this morning.
He probably fucking killed a bear and climbed inside it and rode it with a bear skin on,
Yeah.
still warm.
Still dripping on the way here.
Yeah. I just followed the trail of blood in this morning.